on the island of Borneo, into separate portions. And encircled by Malaysia and the South China Sea, sits the tiny Republic of Brunei. Beaches and a biodiverse rainforest, much of which is protected with reserves, are its most famous features. The lavish Jamazar Hassanal Bolkiah Mosque, with its 29 golden domes, is located in Bandar Seri Begawan, the nation's capital. The monarch in charge of Brunei resides at the enormous Istana Nurul Iman Palace in the nation's capital. Bandar Seri Begawan. Population 445. 373. 2021 World Bank Prime Minister Hassanal Bolkiah. Official language Malay. Dialing code +673. Gross domestic product 14.01 billion USD 2021. Brunei Darussalam boasts a wide variety of accommodation, ranging from luxurious 5-star lodgings to budget hotels. Cleanliness, health and safety procedures are top priority to ensure you have a pleasant stay in the abode of peace. Due to its abundant oil and gas deposits, the tiny nation of Brunei boasts one of the highest levels of life in the whole globe. Massive private fortunes are held by members of the royal family, including Sultan Hassanal Bolkiah, who is the head of state. There is no income tax in Brunei. The Sultan of Brunei, Hassanal Bolkiah, is one of the world's longest reigning and few remaining absolute monarchs. He was crowned in August 1968 following the abdication of his father, Sir Haji Omar Ali Saifuddin. Brunei's independence in 1984. He appointed himself Prime Minister and, in 1991, introduced an ideology called Malay Muslim monarchy, which presented the monarch as the defender of the faith. Brunei's culture was largely influenced by the old Malay world, which included the Malay archipelago. As a result, Brunei's culture is strongly influenced by its Malay heritage, which is evident in the country's language, architecture, rituals, and everyday practices. People in Brunei are very polite and well-mannered. The idea of maintaining face is very important to the population, and people will do their best to avoid causing issues or problems. Respect is very important, and visitors should do their best to abide by certain social conventions. Women should make sure their arms and knees are covered. When they are dressed modestly, take off your shoes while entering Muslim houses or mosques. Some people avoid shaking hands with someone who are the other sex. It's impolite to point with the index fingers. Use your right thumb instead. Islam is the official state religion, with approximately 2/3 of the population being Muslim. However, freedom of religion is guaranteed in Brunei. It is estimated that around 13% of the population are Buddhist, mainly of Chinese background, with 10% belonging to Christian denominations. A well-informed passenger, in our opinion, at Galway, is a safer traveler. In light of this, we have created a simple to navigate Brunei travel information section. Learn about Brunei's history and culture, the must-eat and drink items, and what to carry. Bandar Seri Begawan is Brunei's capital and biggest city, situated on the northern banks of the Brunei River, and best place for visitor. And second best cities to visit in Brunei is Kuala Belait, which located in the country's southwest, and it is the second most populous urban center in Brunei. Syria is a small city that is situated in Brunei Darussalam's Belait district. Syria is counted in popular cities in Brunei. It is located about 16 kilometers to the east of Kuala Belait and the country's capital.